This is your sign to stop hesitating and get that motorcycle.
Okay, congrats again. Alright, guys.
How do you feel?
Hey, bro. I feel amazing. You know, I just woke up today, dropped all my cars to the body shop, and I was like, you know what, let's go to a motorcycle dealership, and I just cashed out, you know?
Now you cashed out, bro. Congrats, bro. Hey, congrats, bro. Enjoy it, enjoy it.
The Amo Motorsports in Long Beach.
The Amo Motorsports. They
Easy
hooked you up,
work,
huh?
bro. They hooked me up, everything. Well done, bro. I got shit done in 10 minutes.
That's right, bro. Hey, congrats, bro.